You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.
My people, we don't come again, we don't bring on a program, one and sabi we be talk to talk. You know, now remember I say talk to talk na program we be say we they take and they bring on giving about politics. They carry on giving for other bonge matters we be say we fit they discuss to now. Now they listening to us before, and today we they talk on another big matter we concern politics and the present primary way they do so. We'll carry on giving now. We get special person for here. One of bonge person we name na Bogidi. Everybody know him. They hear voice before. I never see him for TV. But today I will see him. Bogidi will know him for Bogidi. You welcome.
Organo, I salute you well. Say you take invite me and bring me come T Live Media. And as I be say, una do better work for this side.
Thank you very much.
I thank una well.
Thank you very much.
People, una do well. Una welcome.
My name still remains No Sahari Egenayori. So, Bogidi, how you see this PDP primary where they don't do pass?
Now what? Right from the time when we say they start to buy form, people they declare their intention about to rule the most populous nation in Africa.
Yes.
It can become war. It can become battle. And it's not supposed to be like that. Politics now something when we say is sweet to bring out people when we say he go rule all of us. Everybody sabi say some go talk say the school of thought that they born leader.
Yes.
Some say that they learn leadership.
Yes.
Everybody gets sense. But people when we say come dey forefront, when he use opportunity of the people take climb, enter that place.
Please, yes.
They go come begin use all of us they play ball.
Okay.
Meanwhile, now all of us now send them that position when we see them day. But they make harm become for this country. Say if you want to enter any position, wahala don't start. My own wahala for inside this whole matter when they vex me, be say the attitude when we say they don't take come together to the rule this our precious nation Nigeria with their political rules and regulation. I put them like that so that our people for house definitely go understand their conducts, their own what they call laws when they guide them for their party. Now then they carry to come rule us. We won't be saying in Nigeria.
And not be the interest of the people they vote for them.
At all,
they will just begin construct their rules, their constitution. We go guide them.
You see,
to rule over. How many will be for this country?
I'm not sure say we go fit count because they say maybe we stop to the bomb.
Not be 160. Now we calculate 1 year
because they don't take when they do
census
reach. Census even they there.
Yes.
Many matter because you know what I say make we pass census. Because if we divert enter now,
another area.
Make
we put mouth for this delegate matter. I think one political party, PDP, they do their presidential primary last Saturday. And we discover say EFCC boss that place and they enter that place. Up till now, we never hear what EFCC go do there. And we still hear and say they share money well for delegates. And you know some areas where they for the electoral matter, where Buhari no agree sign,
where no agree sign,
we can reduce the delegates. From some political party be get like 400 above from one state. They can reduce them to 18, like those states 18. Now, look this area. This money where they take by delegates. You sure say this money, people where they vote. Not go ask for the same money, may they give them before they vote for the person where they nominate from their party.
You get what they call emotional blackmail.
Yes.
Now these people, when they call politicians, they use against all of us for the country. Then go tell you say na my own money. Yeah. Some don't begin declare say they say come out I for soldier man salary.
Yes.
He say come out I. Na my people, now I come together. Na my community. Na party. I even call my brother for abroad. he send 10,000. Now we take gather all this money.
Yes.
Now lie. Check all of them. When we say they won't contest again, all of them don't hold political position. Either they elect them or they appoint them.
Yes.
Because if they set into that one, you can't begin to say money when they spend so. It not just be civil servant money. I be they put machine for inside their house when they print them. Because how you go come through to give, even some people can value delegate past governor.
Yes.
Second say, person when be say don't they be party faithful. When be say don't strong for party, they go say it is time for you to enjoy. They not believe I'm like that. Oh.
Yes.
Some years back, when they send delegates go this primary whatever, when we say then they go do. Some of them go pay for themselves for hotel bill.
Yes.
Then go buy food for themselves. Some they won't sleep the venue to fit meet up.
Yes.
But this year,
This time, this one way.
this
we
one
just this so.
now hotel. Breakfast for bed, everything they enjoy based on say they carry out better money to buy these delegates. For wetin you talk, corruption full everywhere.
Yes.
How person when be say he won't work for the people go carry this kind of money, take buy
who want vote for?
who won't vote for am?
Yes.
Then how you can't say the bigger one go be? Wayo not did there, mago not did there. Selfishness not did there. Greed not did there. You don't already tell us say you know they go work. You don't already tell us say na tiffy you won't go thief.
Okay, you determine and say if you can, because the money where they talk about so not be naira.
Not
We
be
hear say na American money dollar.
now they tell you
They say
so.
they buy people so.
Yes.
I remember one governor. I don't want to put mouth for a name. But if I verse, I will call him name. He calls the delegates for a year. He said a sensitization to come show himself to them.
Okay.
For this same party, this PDP we don't do their primaries.
Yes.
The lowest delegate there, not the super delegate.
No.
$1,000.
Good.
Now I carry my calculator. I calculate.
Now you calculate.
As at that time, dollar na 606 naira.
Okay.
I calculate one person they go home with over close to 700,000 naira.
Not be.
They never carry and go the day of convention.
No.
Over almost 700,000 for one person.
For one person.
And those delegates, as at then, the many. If that person win the election, he can't enter power. Those money na sacrifice. Say, I don't want to chop money. I don't want to get my money back. Make I rule. You sure say go feel be like that?
I just tired for Mr. Nosa. When I see Mr. Nosa, person you go market to lose. Na business then they. That's why they always tell Nigeria say shine your eye where. Then they go do business. Na market them go. Buying and selling. Now it be. Check out the delegate when they talk about 700,000. Do this one. And that one the small delegate when they inside.
The small one, not the super delegate.
No.
I will hear and say somebody they will be say some people they will give 3,000. Some day for
4,000. The big one I be say, you know say get the way big man something be.
Yeah.
If you meet big man, you go rate him. Take give am something. No, but you not go look and say, what is this? You go. Now bigger one they go give. Delegate before. Now our mouthpiece. Delegate before. Now the people when they fought front to be able to help us select that people. We the Nigerians, let our hand go back. We be like who they kidnap. We not the fit talk anything. That's why you see the relationship between the delegate and the people. It is far.
Very, very.
This politics of a thing. Now one circle that they play.
Yeah.
You know, say by the time they want our general vote, you go say I'm a grassroots politician. The grassroots when they inside, if you understand, it not they show for these people body.
No.
It's supposed to come through the delegates. The one who tell our Oga, the senior man for the country, say do. When he go make all of us be say, now he go choose these people. The first time, who go rule us? Yeah. But they no agree. To send a party. And that one come make me they tell our people, say, make all of us deep into this party politics thing.
So the most CRC bill.
Yes.
Because the total people not be there to play the radio.
No.
Na me they home, na me they vote.
Now you
they go Abuja. You they come the time where you want me to vote. So why can't we just make we come together, stand ourselves to say, oh yeah now, you bring your one vote.
Yes.
That we many for us. This is our direction. Make we vote for this person, not the person where you want. Because
no.
Then they can't give us money. By the time they give us money, they don't buy us.
Finish.
The next thing we don't go out.
They don't go out.
Our voters card will be say sometimes they will ask for bank or so we say, do you have any means of identification? We go bring and come out. If you don't get power, they don't go accept that.
You not go accept
that same thing get power for voting day. That will take go there. I don't collect your money because I believe now what will happen this time around. Give me money, I will vote for you. Not be secret ballot.
No.
Or I go vote for.
Mr. Nusano,
yes.
Our people need to wise.
Okay.
It get where they go for this country. If all of us not come together to talk say that we no go agree or we no go agree positively. The same people when be say tell you say take 20,000, bring your card for me. Tomprint when I want make you tomprint. Time they come when be say they need to put gun for your waist. You not get any right to tomprint for another person. That force so. It don't they come o.
And that area where they go.
Because you now they try to tell us say make we go. No, our people had to come through because this thing they don't do them to either do or die affair.
Yes.
Where even the judge when they wait, you know say some judge now, chief judge, they wait for
they wait.
This one argument go day
here.
Then EFCC now go quiet. Yes. They feel quiet. Then the other one, INEC now they say, my God,
business.
How I go fight to put me for position?
No business.
How many people
for you? You do for me.
How many times have we heard say or we don't hear say EFCC don't drag Bibi Goga, they don't follow them, they don't drag them for ground for this our Nigeria. How far? Okay, you know you never hear Senator Rosas Okorocha.
They don't give him 500 million naira today to say come pay and make you they go granted bail.
What are you?
Make we hold on for a year, make we carry water, enter market small. When we come back, we go begin talk about the zoning. Where the zoning they go, who they carry the power, who hold the power before, the zone when they hold on before. The other zone we supposed go, where we say PDP don't carry and go the same zone. We'll talk about them when we come back for our break.
You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.
Well, my people, we don't come back, we don't say market don't display for all of now. Make una watch now, we say we come back. Make you not forget, say talk to talk now program waiting like media, they bring the talk politics and talk waiting they happen for the country, waiting they happen for the state and waiting they happen for Nigeria back. We still get Mr. Bogidi for here. My name still remain no Sakari Egenayore. This time around, we want to begin the chukman for the zoning matter. Why PDP carry their power given to North again, make them begin on the rulers? We don't know whether APC they plan that kind of one to, you know, say that's also postpone that they do. If like say na copyright they can't they do now. So Mr. Bogidi make we begin chukman for this zoning matter because those days they say na Wazobia, say na 3 tripod. When Yoruba man don't do president, Hausa man do president, Igbo man go can't do. But what will they see now? Yoruba man do start am 99, 2007 he carry waka come out. Hausa man come because of earthwise, you know you can't cheat nature. Sickness come, that one waka. Then the vice president are from South. That one can't do the remaining 2 years, can't do 4 years. Join now. Now we can't carry matter because of the political party. Because what did they do now? They say now political party zoning. If PDP, Yoruba man don't do 8 years. APC na carry and go north. Hausa man na do one. PDP say they never return to north since. So now they return to north. But when they talk and say government for the people, by the people, and for the people, parties should not they work again like that too. This one, if Yoruba man don't do, Hausa man don't do, forget about say your party not be Hausa man and do one. Now for the people, not just for you. But now we see and I say PDP don't carry on back to Yoruba side. What's it called? Hausa side. Hausa don't get her. The APC they permutate. Whether they go take and go that side, return back. What will be your view about this whole setting? Whether one region or one region ever sideline or what do you think about that?
First of all, I go start like this. I go quick talk so that I go come land for way to the talk. So, you see, all these are the north, south, and the east when we talk, or west as a Wazobia when you talk just now. A lot of these persons no know say Nigeria go become like this. Some first face different side. So now when they come to say, hey, what we go poor before, no me am. Now make this kata come. Supposedly the way supposed be before. Like say all of them carry this eye, shook put how to take say we be one they come. How them take talk come from the beginning. It not go be like that. Yes. You know say one if a get person when be say they go put honey regularly for him mouth. They not go won't come out. Now be the problem when we do so. We feel say not just the normal this Wazobia thing. This I don't rule. This I suppose rule. I no agree. No be am again. He don't enter inside the party. That's why you see say all the party begin quarrel, begin shout. No, not be this person will come from this one. You see the mago and the wayo and the fight when even they the PDP.
It's not a small fight.
When be say somebody when be say una don't agree before you be friend. If I tell you what wicked or show you or you go investigate what wicked or do for this man, what it be name Tambuwa before. Man. Not be small. As in when they talk say lean on me not be press me die. Wicked tell them say lean on me press me die. I there for you. So many years ago. But when you look out for Kurokoro now, just to tell you how you talk, I'm just gonna say someone make you just did their side. Yes. It be tram at a point. When that man when go raise up our singy senator. Do you know me like?
How can you?
He run.
You understand?
That's to tell you how people definitely go won't just stay on that people. Say you get one need when they want. Make them they get from this person. But in all ramification, which I try to say, this whole thing, I no agree, it no favor anybody for the country. It no favor. When we call ourselves one, the cabal, the primary, the delegate, anybody, the zoning, supposed to be say, we won't carry this country from the biggest city to the least city of this country, make them the envy of Africa and the world. But they no agree. Personal greed, nepotism, my people na paddy. You come from here, I come from here. Now be all those ones. If they keep that one aside, we go begin doing because it not go stop. He not get the way the north or make us say another one part or the south won't agree make north or the south just begin take over.
Yes.
He not agree, he not day. Some people are agitated say make una share the country. Some they talk say make una live on like that. Now we feel say okay maybe not just the ethnic groups or the region. Now they talk say okay make we go our own. Or make the thing they come. Now I don't enter inside party. So he not get how he want to come out. Enter into the normal people, make them like say, they know say Nigeria and one. Yes. It not go be.
This northern presidency is with your mind.
Whether
it's with your mind.
The northern presidency.
Yes.
I go just be blunt with you. Like what thing I dey preach. If person when one make this country better, na northern, na southern. Make it there.
Provide the country better.
Provide the country. Now our brother now. Are we not one Nigeria?
One Nigeria.
If he be say na him dey there, the problem when we dey get for inside be say, not be as you come enter there when they make people vex. You come like say, you just bring ministers come outside. We dey hear Shehu, Abdullahi, different kind of una side name. And when we go investigate, either they are from your local government, they are your people. We not go see anybody. Now they make these people come, they even they verse. And I stand to tell you today, Nigeria so God so bless Nigeria, our country, we say, that place where you think say, I get all year pass. Listen to me now. Everywhere for this country get all year. Abi all year not there, those states. Go Lokoja. Go where rock day. All year day. Go there. Now, been at the other natural. So that's why they tell you, say, you not get the way they're supposed to change any state and any local government for this country.
Make I tell you one thing. When Obasanjo ruled for 6 years, I mean 8 years, sorry. Kili, this lama people, tifi, it not increase the way it be now. When our summer come, begin roll us. This nama people can increase. No be nama business come there again. With the year kidnapping. Major highway today, people know they pass out. And when you cry come out, some people they tell us we will go streets, go take some interview. They'll say because say Hausa man na president, now make them not if you do them anything. You will catch them today, maybe the commissioner where you get here, will be police, commissioner for police will be Hausa person or Fulani. The next day they'll say they don't leave them. Are you getting me? So they are detention because you say you go dey blunt. Anybody will ready to better this country, Nigeria, make it there, whether na southerner or northerner.
Yes.
But underground now, the mind way some people get, because I know say many persons from this area they not go vote for Hausa person. With the way we dey collect information from outside.
Okay. The way we dey collect.
The way we dey collect information from outside, they believe say because Hausa man dey there, they make Hausa people. Nama people can increase. I know
Fulani
people can increase.
Yes.
Kidnapping can
increase everything. I not go want to argue with you on that one.
Yes.
Say, I will just tell you slightly. Say some people go still vote. You know why? Second say, belle, hunger. Okay. If they show and things, he go vote. We could leave that one. The stuff be say, it go worse if their tribe person not did it. You know why? They go sabotage the person government. Anybody when no be Hausa man when he enter there, you need to tie a bet. You need to come, he go beg, he go fight, he go verse, he go call it, because you know why? It just be like somebody when they talk say, if like see these managers be work well. Yes. They will praise them, then people go to envy him. Then him now, feed or come, one thing go happen. You go say, hey, if you enter, make we see what you go feed do. You know, say get where envy day and strive. That manager when we say come out before, go do everything to twat the person effort. Now it happen now. You know see some people when they go Abuja bring back our guests. When we say every day they go placard. Shout for Abuja, block everywhere. Where them dey now? Because say somebody when they talk say na so na woman, na we too soft. He under ikorokoro na so people they TV do everything. They shout everything. But as this one enter now, uncle, who talk again? He's supposed to continue to say irrespective of who did there. When the thing bad, we go talk. When it good, we go talk. If they not come together to say, our people don't to die. And mind you, a lot of their tribe persons self come be another religion. No? That's why they tell you, say, it just need to come through. Their tribe, when you go follow them, speak same language now. Just because say they're another religion. And we carry out investigation, say, some of them will be saying that their own religion. Self, they go kill them, slaughter them, go destroy. Then, if they come talk say, this is our president, what thing happen so? How far? He better say you dey blunt about them. Not be only these certain persons now you dey rule. Not be you dey over to. You dey in charge of the full country. Talk come outside. The killy too much. Now so you burn mosques, now so you burn church, now so you do this one. But yet, these things, not the day. And people definitely not go vote where for the people when we say they think say they go vote for. So make everybody go prepare, see wetin go see for this forthcoming election, because people no go gree.
Before the last one, we took one for 1 minute. We can say, na people from South na betray for this primary, if nothing for win. Not true.
Not true.
They betray.
They betray him well. You know why? My brother and my brother. If really, since now I did talk, say make we unite everybody.
Yes.
My brother and my brother. If I see you for some persons go travel, go America before you know, as you speak your language, we not care where will they come again. Even pidgin English, Edo man, Igbo man, oh my brother. Introduce and give a book, you say my brother, we are from the same home. Finish. Then if it can't be like that, we all know say these things be. Except say those for the South get personal interest again for people. Make I tell you all this personal interest something. Yes. When some people don't tiffy, they know say if they come out, they not support who go there. Before you know, they go begin lawyer. If not, AFCC and the rest go come after them. So they'll begin lawyer from that. Oh God, support you in case you win. Oh. By his set, they open the book. Oh God say, leave him, is my boy. Now make them they do all those things. It was all of us, them come together to say, since una they cry, since make the North not take, make this one not take, then why not come through for your brother?
If we give, I say make I give small time for here, we know come out here. You know, say this is our program, a 30 minutes program.
Yes, sir.
My people, we don't hear Bogidi well, we don't listen to Bogidi, and they don't hear well. Even me don't contribute, but you see, and I begin looking like camera, because if it don't, they hit some areas where they interest me. Where if you want make it drag me come out, he leave me there, not drag me come out. So I say make I leave out for today, because I know say by tomorrow, because this program will continue. By tomorrow, we'll go jam on another one. We'll go bring other matter where we say we need to discuss. My people, I thank you now. Say make we end this program here, Mr. Bogidi. You do well.
I want to thank you well, and the work on you do.
Thank you very much.
TMC TV and radio, and the T-Light Media. God bless all of you now. And they do better work. They see audio reports one and they give unbiased reports. And so they talk for this is our journalism side. Truth to be told, we go talk the truth. Make Nigeria better. Now all of us day for. I beg if you go sell your vote, sell them with big money.
Dollars. Thank you very much. My name still remain no Sangare again. We'll reach you now again. We'll watch us again. Thank you very much.